Hey, what's going on, folks? I'm Jimmy of JD Flutes. This one here is my newest design. This one here is my special series F, the key of F, tuned to 440 Hertz. I will be producing these in 528 Hertz, 440 Hertz, and also, of course, 432 Hertz. And this one here is a customer's flute, of course. This one here has been produced with my hummingbird box with genuine turquoise eyes. Very beautiful. I chose the finest piece of black walnut that I had. Beautiful. Also, the mouthpiece is extremely close together, so you won't have any problems. And one is just a smidgen up, so you'll know which one you have in your mouth. I have produced this one here with my extremely flat finger hole plugs. See? Extremely flat. That way you can hold your hand flat instead of cocking it up. I'm going to do a very short sound sample with this one. Let me know what you think, folks. Beautiful sounding flute. Beautiful sounding flute. I'll remove just the first finger hole plug. Now you can do a whole lot more than that, folks. I'm just doing this because of time. I'll remove the second plug at the bottom. You can do a whole lot more than that. I'm going to remove the third plug. Folks, you won't get any better than that. If you would like one, folks, just reach out to me. I will have this one on sale. Thank you so much, folks.